Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to create a crypto wallet from scratch. So first you will have to select on what blockchain you're going to have your wallet on. So there's a lot of blockchains out there, so do your research. If you're going to go with BNB, you go with MetaMask basically. So MetaMask right here. If you're going with Solana, you can go with Phantom. I suggest Phantom right here. And if you're going with Dawn and other types of actual cryptocurrency blockchains like your base, you can also go with Dawn. So here, we're going to demonstrate it with Dawn. So the first thing you'll have to do is create a new wallet, of course, create a new passcode. So I'm going to name it 1234. 1234 right here. And then the wallet name basically. So just name it wallet for now. From there, you'll have to wait for it to generate. So once you have generated, you already have made it. So the important things you will have to do when creating your crypto wallet from scratch is remembering your private key. So you go to settings right here, you go to backup, and then you backup manually. So the first thing you will have to do is read this because it's very important. Because you can never ever get your recovery phrase from other place than your Thon Keeper wallet to access your wallet. So the next is Thon Keeper support will never ask your recovery phrase. Not even anyone, not even support, not even the President of the United States. So, everyone with your recovery phase will be able to access this wallet. Whatever you do, never share it. So, we'll go ahead and check it out. So, this is my recovery phrase right here, and it consists of 24 words, and you can check the backup. So, when you check the backup right here, you'll have to enter those right there. So, you can actually access this wallet now since you have the details, but I'm not going to use this wallet at all. So, good luck guys. So from here basically that's all you have to know, that you must keep your private keys to yourself and your secret phrase to yourself. Those are the same things, they're just for different purposes. And then here you can now send and receive from Dawn. So remember, you must be in the same network for it to work, of course. So do your own research on that. I'm just showing you on how to create a crypto wallet from scratch. So there you go guys, and thank you.